What if you could make $10,000 a month without even lifting a finger? No, seriously, think about it. What if your income kept flowing in day after day while you spent your time doing what you love? Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen using the power of AI automation. From building passive income streams to scaling your business without the usual headaches, this is the ultimate guide to making AI work for you. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join AI News Weekly for more mind-blowing tips and tricks like this. AI automation, the modern gold rush. Let's start with why AI automation is the secret weapon that's turning ordinary people into high earners. AI, or artificial intelligence, can automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and even make decisions. Think of it as your virtual employee that works 24/7, never takes a vacation, and doesn't ask for a paycheck. Now, how does this help you make $10,000 a month? Simple, time and scale. AI can free you from manual, time-consuming tasks and help you focus on growing your income streams. Whether you're selling products online, creating content, or trading stocks, AI is your gateway to scaling your efforts without scaling your workload. You're not just doing the same work faster, you're doing it smarter. Let's see how this plays out in real-life scenarios. Choosing the right niche for AI automation. Before you start automating your way to $10K a month, you need to pick the right niche. Some industries are perfect for automation, while others still need more human touch. E-commerce. Imagine a store that runs itself. AI can automate everything from inventory management to customer service, so you can focus on scaling. Tools like Shopify Flow allow you to create automatic responses to customer inquiries, send out promotional emails, and even reorder products when stocks run low. Content creation. You don't need to be a content machine. AI can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Platforms like Jasper AI can help you write blog posts, social media content, or even video scripts just like this one. Digital marketing. AI can manage your entire digital marketing funnel, from creating ads to sending out newsletters. Tools like HubSpot and MailChimp allow you to automate lead generation, nurture campaigns, and customer segmentation. Stock and crypto trading. If you're into trading, AI algorithms can analyze markets and execute trades faster and more accurately than you could ever do manually. Automated bots like 3Commas or Pionex will make trades based on preset strategies, allowing you to earn money without monitoring the markets every second. Choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and has high automation potential is key. The more scalable your business model, the closer you'll get to that $10,000 a month. The tools you need to automate your income. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your AI-powered machine. Thankfully, the tools you need are more accessible than ever. Here's a rundown of some of the best AI automation tools that will do the heavy lifting for you. Chatbots, customer service. Tools like Drift or ChatGPT allow you to set up automated customer service bots. These bots can answer frequently asked questions, solve basic problems, and even upsell products, all without your involvement. Social media automation. Platforms like Buffer, Later, or Hootsuite allow you to schedule and automate your social media posts. The AI behind these tools can even suggest the best times to post based on when your audience is most active, helping you reach more people with less effort. Content creation. Tools like Copy.ai and Writesonic can help you create high-quality blog posts, ad copy, and product descriptions automatically. These tools use AI to understand your audience and write content that engages them. Automated trading. Trading bots like Pionex, 3Commas, or Zignally allow you to automate cryptocurrency or stock trading based on AI algorithms. These tools analyze market trends and execute trades for you, potentially earning you profits even while you sleep. The key to success here is to integrate multiple tools into one cohesive system. This system works together to generate revenue, while requiring minimal ongoing effort from you. Building an automated system that scales. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's about scaling your business to new heights. Once your AI systems are in place, the next step is to ensure they're scalable. Here's how you can do it. Automate repetitive tasks. Whether it's sending out emails, managing social media, or handling customer service inquiries, automation tools can take care of these tasks without you ever touching a keyboard. This frees you up to focus on high-level strategies that will grow your income. AI-driven decision-making. AI tools don't just automate, they learn. By analyzing data, AI can help you make smarter decisions faster. For example, if you're in e-commerce, AI can track customer behavior and tell you which products are likely to trend next. Focus on high-impact areas. The beauty of automation is that it lets you focus on the 20% of activities that drive 80% of your results. Whether it's building relationships with key clients or refining your business strategy, automation allows you to be more efficient with your time. Monetizing your AI system. Now that your automated systems are running like a well-oiled machine, how do you start making serious cash? Here are some ways you can turn your AI-driven business into a $10K a month powerhouse. Affiliate marketing. If you're running a blog, YouTube channel, or even a social media page, affiliate marketing is an easy way to start generating passive income. Use AI tools to automate content creation and distribution, driving traffic to affiliate links. E-commerce sales. As mentioned earlier, running an online store using AI-driven tools like Shopify Flow can dramatically boost your sales. Personalizing customer experiences, sending targeted offers, and automating product recommendations can significantly increase your revenue. Subscription services. Offering a product or service that requires a monthly subscription is one of the easiest ways to generate recurring revenue. AI tools can help you automate the onboarding process, manage billing, and even send out regular updates or upgrades to customers. Online courses and digital products. If you have expertise in a certain area, consider creating online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific allow you to automate the entire sales funnel, from attracting students to delivering course content. Once your monetization strategy is in place, your focus shifts from day-to-day management to strategy and scale. Your income streams will continue to grow, and the more you refine your system, the closer you'll get to making $10K or even more every month. Measuring and optimizing success. Your automation system is up and running, but how do you know if it's actually working? The beauty of AI tools is that they come with built-in analytics. Here's what you need to measure. Revenue growth. Track how much you're making each month and adjust your strategies based on what's working and what isn't. Customer engagement. Tools like Google Analytics and email marketing platforms can show you how your audience is interacting with your content. More engagement typically means more revenue. Cost versus ROI. While AI tools may require an upfront investment, make sure you're calculating the return on investment. Are you making more than you're spending? If so, you're on track. Regularly review your automation systems and make tweaks where necessary. As AI continues to evolve, new tools will emerge that can make your system even more efficient. Staying ahead of the curve. AI isn't static, it's constantly evolving. Staying ahead of AI trends will ensure that your business continues to grow and adapt. New tools are being developed all the time, and keeping up with the latest innovations could give you the edge you need to scale beyond $10,000 a month. Join online communities, attend webinars, and always be on the lookout for the next AI tool that could transform your business. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll find to automate and scale. If you're ready to start making serious money with AI automation, make sure you subscribe to AI News Weekly for more in-depth guides and tips on how to work smarter, not harder. We'll keep you updated on all the latest AI trends and strategies so you never miss out. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and let's start automating your future today.